Friends, we are learning first unit. The sub unit is its first flight. Friends, in the previous videos, we have seen the young seagull was operating to fly. His two brothers and his little sister had already flown, but he cannot fly in the air because he was not confident about himself. His parents perfected his brothers and sisters how to catch the fish, how to fly in the air, how to dive in the water. When he was alone on the lake since 24 hours, that time he was very hungry. He was awaiting for food, but his parents did not notice him. He cried loudly for food. That time his mother halted. The piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He dived at the fish. He fell outwards and downwards into space. That time he just felt a bit dizzy, but then he was flying with his family. Now let's read new passage. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commanded himself to dive and soar and curl, shrieking shrilly. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings, but he was tired and weak and hunger, and he could not rise, exhausted by the strange exercise. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight. Name of the writer is Liam O'Flaherty. Now let's see new words from this passage. Shrieking, आरोळी मारणे. Ridges, पर्वतांची रांग. Cawed, चित्कार केला. Amusedly, मौजेने. Landed, उतरली. Flooring, पृष्ठभाग. Beckoning, इशारा करणे. Exhausted, पूर्णपणे थकलेला. Belly, पोट. Screaming, ओरडला. Praising, प्रशंसा. Beak, चोच. Offering, देऊ करणे. Scraps, तुकडे. Dogfish, एक प्रकारचा मासा. आता आपण या पॅसेजचा मराठीतून अर्थ पाहू. आपल्याला उडता येत नव्हते हे तो पूर्णपणे विसरून गेला आणि सूर मारताना, भरारी घेताना आणि हवेत भरारी घेताना स्वतःवर खुश होऊन कर्कश आवाजात आरोळी देऊ लागला. तो आता समुद्राच्या जवळ येऊन पोचला. समुद्राच्या पृष्ठभागावरून समांतर उडत सरळ वरच्या दिशेने त्याने झेप घेतली. खाली पसरलेला हिरवागार विशाल सागर आणि त्यातून डोकावणारे लहान लहान सुळके त्याला दिसले आणि आपली चोच बाजूला वळवून त्याने आनंदाने चित्कार केला. त्याचे आईवडील आणि भावंडे मग त्या हिरव्यागार पृष्ठभागावर उतरले. कल कल आवाज करी ती त्याला पुन्हा करून बोलू लागले. आपले पाय अलगद त्या हिरव्या समुद्रावर सोडून तो उभा राहण्याचा प्रयत्न करू लागला, पण त्याचे पाय आत बुडू लागले. तो घाबरून ओरडला आणि पंख फडफडवीत पुन्हा वर उडायला लागला. मात्र आता तो दमला होता आणि भुकेने अशक्त झाला होता. हा वेगळ्या प्रकारचा व्यायाम करून थकल्यामुळे त्याला पुन्हा उडताही येईना. त्याचे पाय हिरव्या समुद्रात शिरले. पोट हलकेच पाण्याला टेकले आणि मग तो आणखी खाली बुडाला नाही. आता तो छानपैकी तरंगू लागला. त्याचे कुटुंबीय त्याच्याभोवती फेर धरून कलकल करीत त्याचे कौतुक करू लागले आणि आपल्या चोचीतून त्याला डॉगफिशचे माशाचे तुकडे भरू लागले. अशी घेतली त्याने पहिली भरारी. Now let's see workshop. State whether the following statements are true or false. First sentence, the young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wing. This sentence is true because he was afraid to fly. Second sentence, the young seagull's parents guided and improved his sibling in the art of flying. This sentence is true. His mother and father were perfecting his brother and sister. Third sentence, when the young seagulls pretend to be falling asleep, his parents notice him. This sentence is wrong. They took no notice of him. Next sentence, flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. This sentence is false. Her mother did not drop a piece of fish into his beak. Next question. Complete the following sentences. The seagull is afraid to fly because he thought that his small short wing would never support him to fly and he would fall and drown in the sea. Next sentence. Young birds are afraid to make their first flight because they are not confident at their first flight. That's like you have to solve remaining workshop.